Hey, friend of mine.
I'm just making some brownies here.
Looks delicious.
Yeah. So what have you been up to lately?
Nothing much. I just been thinking about what's coming up, the holidays. I'm actually hosting this year, my whole family.
Good for you, good for you.
And I'm actually pretty nervous about it.
Oh no, why?
Because I've never hosted before.
A common dilemma.
Haven't you done this before?
Yeah, a time or two.
Cool. So would you have any tips for me to help me out?
You know what? I might have some tips for you.
Cool.
Maybe like 5.
Ooh, 5 top tips.
Yeah,
let's hear them.
Yeah. So, well, what are you making to feed everyone?
Well, the menu, I haven't really thought about that yet.
Okay, well that's gonna be tip number 1. You gotta plan your menu.
Okay.
I mean, main dish, sides, drinks, desserts. Are you doing appetizers? Everything you do is gonna build off of what the menu is.
All right, got it. Let's see, what else?
You need to prep the obvious things, like make your grocery list, go shopping.
And I could probably do that days before.
Oh yeah, days before.
Okay, so anything else? What else do I need to prep?
Next, prep the non-obvious things. You need to go through your menu and think, is there anything I could do beforehand? And if so, do it beforehand. The next thing I got for you is make a plan for your normal household responsibilities. Like if your kids need to be picked up from school, have someone do it.
Okay. Wow, this is sounding like some wise words from you, friend.
All right, and the last thing I got for you,
Okay.
start a lot sooner than you think.
Like 5 minutes sooner?
No. I'm thinking like, get a guesstimate of how long you think your meal's gonna take you, then start an hour beforehand, at least.
Thanks for having me over today.
No prob.
You know, you should really have your own show.
I really should.
Bye.